Hi, I'm Mike with Become a Better Guitar Player, and today I'm going to show you how to play Turn the Page by Bob Seger. It's a really nice little acoustic guitar song, even though I'm going to play it on an electric guitar. Metallica covered it. I mean, it was a very popular song, but it's a great beginner song. It's 4 chords up here in the first position, simple chords, and they're played very slowly. I'm going to guess he maybe wrote the chord progression while he was singing it, so it was kind of in the background. So let's get started on the lesson, all right? So this song is going to have this E minor chord, a simple D chord, an A major chord. It's going to have a C chord in it, and it's going to have a what they call I always called it a walk-up. It's going to, where you're playing a few notes before the chords, before that chord anyway, and it has a nice sound to it. So let's get started with the first chord here. It's going to be an E minor. That's going to be your second finger on the second fret of the A string. Your ring finger's going to go on the second fret of the D string. It's got this kind of a, I don't know, a nonchalant sort of a way of picking it. There's a saxophone in the background that's kind of doing the lead in the song until he starts to sing. So it goes. Then it switches to the D chord. That's going to be the second fret on the G string, second fret on the E, and then the third fret on the B string. And it's going to transition to this A major. And I think I hear him when he goes back to the original E chord. I hear a sort of a hammer-on situation on those 2 strings on the second fret. So the A chord, A major, is going to be, your second finger is going to be on the second fret of the D. Third finger is going to be on the G string on the second fret. And put your pinky down here on the B string on the second fret. So. So that's the chord progression for the verse. So you're going to do the E chord twice, the D chord twice, the A chord twice, and then the E chord twice again. Next time around, you're going to play that progression again. So you're going to do the E chord twice again. So. Then it goes into the chorus, and so at the end of the second time you play that progression, you're going to play you're going to do that E chord twice. Then you're going to hit a D chord, back to the original the D chord you've been playing all along. This is the part where I'm on the road again. Here I am on the road again. You're going to do that twice. You're going to go between this D chord and the third time you're going to go D to the A again. Then you're going to go open A string, second fret on the A string, third fret on the A string with your third finger, and then you're going to make this C chord. That's going to be third fret on the A, second fret on the D string, first fret on the B string with your first finger. And you're going to make the D chord again, and you're going to go from, you're just going to strum down on the D string, those 4 strings. So I'll do it from beginning to end. Back to the E chord. So those are the chords in that order, and they're all basic chords up here in the first position. There's a nice so it's a little more complicated than just a first position chord song. Very fun to play. It's a very slow moving song, so it's easy to go between the chords when you're learning how to play it if you're listening to the original recording. So I hope you like this video. If you do, like and subscribe to our channel. It's completely free and it helps us out a lot. So have a great day. Thank you.